Hello everyone, this is Gayle, and I've had another faux pas. Don't have a clue what happened, but I did an unboxing yesterday of my latest RJCrafts order and went to upload it on my computer and there was no video. So I don't know if I hit a wrong button. I don't know if it's my camera that it's set up wrong, but something is going on and I need to get it fixed. But in the meantime, I'm just going to show you what I got. Okay, I stopped the camera just briefly to go check and make sure that this was recording correctly, and it is. But anyway, this is my order from RJCrafts, and this was on top. Of course, there was some pretty orange tissue paper in here, I guess because it's getting close to Halloween. And then Rhonda always includes her business card, excuse me, along with some Smarties. May have to break into those Smarties. Excuse me, I had to take a sip. So I can't do the box opening all over again, but I am going to show you what I got. And I'm leaving this out because this is my packing slip, and I folded under the part with my address on it. And not that I mind you guys having my address, but there are other people out there that I may not want to have it. But this is the cutter set 31C. Yes, 31C, which is a feather cutter. I'll show you the back side of it just so you can see the design a little bit better. But there's the actual cutter side. And it's for a cuff, to make a cuff bracelet. I doubt that this is going to be long enough. But I wanted to do a cut. Oh, it is long enough. I wanted to do a cut. I've never used a long cutter like this. And I know you're supposed to give this a little twist, but I don't know that I can do that. Just make sure it's cut, which I don't think I did. I needed to get up over it, and I didn't do that. But anyway, you can see the cut on here. And then you could take your toothpick or whatever, and I'm going to do a tutorial on this, but you can take things to make designs. You can use, I don't believe she has a silk screen. I need to check and see if she has a silk screen for this. But this is one thing that I really wanted, and I think it's going to make some really cool projects. Here's my thing. So I can't wait to try this. I'll use this pretty soon on a tutorial. I think that's going to be cool. And let's see, the next thing I got, I've got clay everywhere, so I don't have a place to put it down. Let me roll this back through the pasta machine. Just so I have something to show you some samples on. This, by the way, oh, you can't see it because I zoomed in. But this color is the color I got. Remember the Four Seasons project that I'm working on? This is the mixture of all the backgrounds together. Isn't that a pretty blue? I'm just going to rip it in half so it's not so long. But let's see, to go with the feather cutter, I also got the feather earrings. This is 31E. 31 must be her number for feathers. And these are earring cutters in 3 different sizes. There's a small and a medium and a large. And they're mirror images, so you can have a left and a right earring in whatever direction you want it to go. So, and let me just cut one. Whoops, didn't mean to press it that bad. But there's the small feather. Isn't that cute? And actually what I was thinking about doing is cutting, let me try the medium one. I don't know if this is going to work or not. Let me get it, the one that goes in the same direction. I thought about having the larger one on top and cutting a smaller one like this to make earrings out of. I know this is the same color, but if you had different colors, I think that would be a cute pair of earrings. So let me put this back in here. So that was the second cutter set that I got. So I got those feathers. And then I got this, which is bat wings, or dragon wings. This is cutter set number 156E. And again, these are mirror images. But I thought these are dragon wings, but I thought if you cut them out in black, they could be bat wings for Halloween. You want to see those cut? See, just picture that in black, maybe with some Pearl-Ex or mica powders around the edges. I think that's really cute. So that was another set that I got. And all of these I'll be doing projects with shortly, as soon as I get finished with my 4 seasons. Now this is cutter set number 66. And these are the diamond, what are they called? Diamond earrings. And you see they're kind of a Tiffany diamond shape, but they have the middle cut out. So you can probably should be using the bigger one. But see, with these, and as with all of the ones with the plastic cutters, you need to just run your finger over the edge to get rid of that little wedge. But anyway, this comes out. And there you have a real cute little earring with the center cut out exactly right. I don't know about you, but whenever I try to use 2 cutters, I'll cut the outside and then I'll cut the inside. The inside is never perfectly centered, but here they will be. And I got a large and a small, and we didn't need mirror images on these because of the shape. So I could use 2 of these or 2 of these, or actually again we could stack them, but I like that. But there is a cutter set in here. I hope I can, the stackable earrings. Is this, I think it's this one. Yeah, 141. Cutter set number 141 is the stacked earrings. And I love this. I love the idea. Why I never thought of it, I don't know. I should have. But again, you have mirror image, designs. And you have 2 of these, and the idea is that you can cut either this and one of these and put this on top of that, and that could give you a stacked earring. You could take one of these, which is the, oh, what do they call it? Oh, I knew it. If I hadn't had to try to come up with it for you, I could have told you. But anyway, this shape, and cut one of these maybe, and hang it on top of it, and then take this and hang it on top of that. There's so many things, but these are made to stack one on the other. But the only one that really is the mirror image is this one because of the shape. These two, you don't need to mirror image. But that was something else I wanted to play with, were the stacked earrings, because I think that's a great idea. And then lastly, so I can put all this stuff back in my box, I got the maple leaf. And I got the full set. You can get these individually or as a whole set. I got the whole set because I'm a leaf person. I love leaves. And this comes in six sizes. There you go. Those are the 6 sizes. I think these, especially if you have a variegated sheet of clay with fall colors, would make beautiful fall earrings. So I got this. The big one is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, but that would make a gorgeous pendant or a pin. So that is what I'm going to be playing with this month with my RJCrafts products. So if you see anything here that you like, please follow the links below to get them. And you have to allow a few days because she makes these herself. Rhonda makes all of this herself. And she makes them as she gets orders, so that way she doesn't have a bunch of stuff made up that she doesn't sell. As she gets an order, she makes it and then sends it to you. So it takes a few extra days than what you might be used to. She's also getting ready to have some surgery, so I'm sure that will slow her down a little bit. But I think you would really enjoy these cutters. So come back for my next tutorial. The one that's coming up on Monday is part 2 of the 4 seasons. And then I may throw in a RJCrafts tutorial in between. I don't know. I may get impatient and want to start playing with this. So everyone, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon. Bye-bye.